What's up guys, ChefQ here, and right now I'm hitching a ride with my wife and her friend here to a restaurant. I'm the third wheel. So where are we going, ladies?
Momo Paradise.
Wow, there's the camera shy. So we're going to Momo Paradise in San Diego. Near Mesa, right? So it's an all-you-can-eat Japanese shabu-shabu hot pot. I was like, you're going to all-you-can-eat with two ladies? That's not gonna be worth your money, so that's why I'm tagging along. I'm actually helping out.
We gonna prove you wrong.
Lies. You always feed me whatever that's left over. It's a good day for hot pot. Look at this weather. You see the wind? Momo Paradise. So they set up a lot of tents outside already. A lot of tables outside. Not sure if they let us in eat inside yet. So the girls are embarrassed because I am wearing this hat to go eat. They're running ahead. And this place is pretty big, actually. When did you guys start serving inside again?
So most likely, it's not for sure, but most likely the 17th is when we're trying to aim for
17th?
Start indoors.
Okay. Couple days, Wednesday?
Yeah. Of course, nothing's set in stone for sure. But
Yeah.
hopefully,
I might kick us back out again or something. Alright. So this place is actually a franchise or a big, they have like 20 locations. I think they have a few up in LA. This is the first location down in San Diego. Yay! Got the heater. It's really cool. Hope it doesn't rain because I'm sitting outside. Hope it doesn't rain. Oh, so you pick your soup base, and then you select your meat, and then your vegetables, and then they'll bring it out to you. Oh, you can even have rice, ramen, udon. It's $29.95 per person, 90-minute course. And if you want to know what's inside these broth, scan the QR code and they tell you, huh? Shabu-shabu. So sukiyaki is good, recommended. Aye. Tonkatsu, kimchi. Wait, but you get to pick two, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so you get to pick two size. Two. Oh, sauces. Oh, these are sauces. These are sauces. These are soup stocks right here.
It's funny how hot water is one of the options.
Hot water is a soup. It's just if you want, just dip your thing, just steam it or something. One of each of everything.
Of everything.
Yeah.
You eat the meatball.
Of course. That's what I'm here for. I'm just tagging along.
Who's the third wheel on our date?
I'm the third wheel. Woo. Awesome. Thank you. So we got the sukiyaki on this side. He said that to add this water, this is just water. If it's too sweet or and stuff, you just add more water. We got the tonkatsu broth. It's raining right now. It is raining. This is actually perfect. It's perfect to eat hot pot in a rainy day like that. Yay, BT.
Yay!
Meatball, tofu,
Yay!
pork meatballs.
One of each meat right over here.
Yeah.
One of each meat. Is this a chuck eye or the chuck roll?
This is the chuck eye.
That's
and then this is the short plate, and this is the kurobuta, which is the pork shoulder.
Oh, okay, that's the pork.
That's the pork.
Okay. Got some side dishes such as curry rice, just so you can get full and not eat a lot of the meat. You need fish sauce here? Hey, let's make our scrambled egg sauce. This is for the sukiyaki sauce. Look at the yolk. It's like a little bit cloudy. Oh, it's pasteurized egg.
What does that mean?
It means that it's pasteurized.
Something happened to it.
Let's see. So they said this green onion. This is grated daikon with chili, so spicy daikon.
brown.
And then spicy shoyu is the green one. And then the red one is the, what did they say? Tabaru Rayu.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new, just right what I needed.
Okay, note to self, put less first. We're waiting for it to boil. It takes forever. Okay. This is a sweet soy sauce. It's like a really sweet soy sauce broth. Now this is the kurobuta pork, so you can eat it like you can eat it medium rare. And then you dip it in this egg. Okay, yeah, dip it, get it all in there. With all that egg. Woo. Mmm. Oh. Oh. Wow. At first, the broth by itself is very sweet. But if you eat it with the pork, you get that pork fat all blended together. And then when you dip it in the egg, you get that eggy custard taste with it too. Okay. Beef short plate. These are sliced super thin. Look at that. Okay. This one I am going to dip it in the tonkatsu. Tonkatsu broth is made from pork. Ooh, look at all that fat. Super fast. What? And they said to eat this with what? The shoyu? I'll try the shoyu. Wait, no, this is the ponzu sauce. Ooh. Wow, yeah. Okay.
That's why we didn't know about the meat. The meat.
Awesome. Perfect. The ponzu sauce is like citrusy. And this broth is like very, the broth is very fatty. Oh, I forgot to put in the freaking spicy daikon and onions in here. That's what you're supposed to do. Last one. I have to do this fast so they can eat. Otherwise, they're filming me. I'm putting them to work. Okay. Let's try the beef chuck roll. Which one? I'll try tonkatsu again. Add some spicy sauce in this dipping sauce here. What is this? Yeah. All right. Got the beef with this sesame sauce. Okay, let's eat that. Wow. Each sauce has like a different like texture and flavor. So then when you keep on eating this, you can like make like a combination of like all different sorts of flavor. Okay. Yeah, I can eat now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so far everything's pretty good. The sauce is good. The sauce is right on point. The soup is the soup is flavored just right, not too salty. The other one I thought was pretty sweet, but when you just dip the meat in and then dip it in the sauce, which is perfect. That's cool that they have like 3 different kind of sauce, so the egg gives it like a really like fatty, what is it? Like a very custard taste. And then you dip it in the ponzu, you get that citrus fresh taste. And then when you dip it in the sesame miso sauce over there, it has like a more bold taste to it. Ooh, check out these meatballs. They come in pairs. Check out these meatballs. They come in pairs.
Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay.
We end it with dessert. Dessert. Cheers. Cheers. Really?
Yeah.
Ice cream. All right, we are done. Oh shit. Woo. That was a good meal. I am super stuffed. Super stuffed. Oh, definitely recommend this place. Even though they only have like 3 meat choices, which is like 1 beef and 2 pork, and then a couple of fish balls, and then we got the vegetables and stuff. There's actually not a lot of choices, but the quality is there and the broth flavor is on point. I definitely recommend it for you guys to come and try this place out. All right, it is called Momo Paradise, Japanese shabu-shabu, all you can eat hot pot.